Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Views About Anything, and today we have this MOGA controller that came with my Samsung S21 Ultra. So this is the XP5-X Bluetooth controller, which also comes with this mount for your phone. And it is, of course, designed for Xbox. It's an Xbox style controller, and it's by PowerA, which is a pretty standard cheap replacement controller. I've used them in the past. I've had pretty good luck with them. So I was pretty excited to see that this came with my, as an option, to get for my phone. I probably won't use it much with my phone, but it is nice for using with my computer. So let's get this unboxed here. Some seals there, up here. So this is a Bluetooth controller. It says like for mobile/cloud gaming, but you can connect it to any Bluetooth device. I would say 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which is nice because not even the Xbox controllers have that. Obviously, you're still using two AA's on those. You have mappable buttons and a detachable phone clip. So, like I said, I'm not going to probably use it much with the phone clip, but at least it is an option. Oh, missed a seal right here on the top. So, get this one here. I'll be able to get in and see what's inside. I have not used a real Xbox controller in quite some time, so I don't know how this is going to directly compare to a authentic Xbox controller. So bear with me on that, but I can compare it to the other PowerA controller. I do have one of those, a corded one. So here is the phone clip. So you have a spring-loaded, it's got a little bit of rubber on it as well. It's actually friction fit clip to wrap around the controller. Then we have the controller itself. The controller has a pretty good weight. Plastic feels pretty good. The buttons feel pretty good, except for these back triggers. These are a little mushy, but overall, very clicky, satisfying buttons. Got two mappable buttons here. You have a little slot here on the controller, and another one here, which is where your mount clicks into. You can see on here on the mount, we have a clip here and one at the top here to be actually clip on to this controller. And then we have USB or Bluetooth on a switch right here. We have a lightning bolt right here, a power indicator, which is nice. That's actually really nice for when controllers don't really have that anymore. We have a Bluetooth button here, and then it has a USB port and a micro USB port for charging. Other than that, everything's nice and clicky. These thumb pads, the texture is interesting. I'll see how I like them as time goes on. I'm not sure with that. The only thing I'm noticing is there's no, port on it for like a headset, which isn't a big deal. This is meant to be connected to your phone or whatever else. And then, other than that, it does come with a dual USB-C to micro USB/USB-A, or it's two separate cables. So we have a USB-C that has an adapter, I'm guessing. Yep, micro USB to USB-C, and then you have your micro USB to USB-A. So two of those cables are included in there, which is nice. And then you have a pretty thick manual here about the controller itself. I'm guessing in multiple languages. Yep, multiple languages there. So it's by PowerA, designed for Samsung, as it says on the box here. Other than that, You can use it as a battery bank as well, since this is a 3000 milliamp hour battery in here. So that's why it gives you those two cables in there, so you can actually charge your phone while playing games. Overall though, plastic feels nice, has a little bit of rubber here, and buttons feel pretty good. I'll have to use it some and see how I like it. Like I said, I don't have an authentic Xbox controller, but I can probably get my hands on one. But I do have the cheaper $15 PowerA controller that I can compare this to. Just from initial impressions, this feels much nicer than their $15 one. Granted, this one is more expensive, so it should. But if you guys want to see me compare it to some other stuff, I do have some PlayStation 4 controllers, and I have this. And like I said, I have the PowerA wired one. I think I have one other controller I can find, and I can also get my hands on some other ones. So if you guys would like to see that stuff, leave in the comment section down below. Any questions, leave them there as well. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.